what is density? Density is the amount of mass per unit volume. In other words, it defines how tightly or loosely a pack of substances. So I'll be showing an example using syrup and the oil and 2 glasses of water. In 1 glass,
I've been reading books of all the legends and the myths, Achilles and his bow, Hercules.
I'll be showing an example. You see on the first bottle you can see the syrup sinks, and on the second bottle the syrup, and on the second. Why the syrup is sinking? Because the syrup has more dense than the water, and why the oil is floating? Because the oil is less dense than the water. I hope you learned something about density. So bye bye.
Everyone, today we will learn about density. Density is a property of matter that is used to identify the material by comparing its mass with the space it takes up. For example, when you put a piece of paper in a container of water, what do we notice? The piece of paper floats, so we can say that the paper has less density. All the objects that floats on water has less density. However, the things that sinks on water has more density. That's all. Thank you and have a blessed day.
Good morning everyone, I'm Aliyah G. Palmeria. So today I'm going to present what is density and liquid. But first we're going to define what is density. Density is a measure of how solid something is. All things are made up of tiny particles called molecules. If the molecules of an object is close to each other, it's dense or solid. On the other hand, if the molecules of an object are not close together, it's less dense and less solid. To show you an example, let's drop this coin in a glass of water. And if it sinks, like so, it's more dense and more solid. And let's drop this rubber, and if it floats, like so, it's less solid and less dense. Now let's define what is liquid. Liquid particles are distant from each other, doesn't have definite shape, mass, and volume. It follows the form of its container. That's all. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.
Hello, classmates and teacher. My name is Ruth Elijah Sinial, and I am your little science teacher for today. For today, I am going to discuss one of the characteristics of matter, which is mass. What is mass? Mass can be best understood as the amount of matter present in any object or body. Everything we see around us has mass. For example, imagine a bowling ball and a basketball, both the same size. You want to accelerate them at the same speed. What must you do for this to occur? The basketball has a mass of 10 kilograms and the bowling ball has a mass of 50 kilograms. A larger must be applied to the bowling ball for it to accelerate because of the bowling ball has greater inertia. The greater the inertia, the greater the ability to resist motion. Next, I am going to discuss one of the states of matter, which is liquid. What is liquid? Liquids are the flowing objects. They have no shape of their own. They take the shapes of their containers. They have definite volume and take up space. Liquids may be the same or different in colors. Some liquids are safe to drink, like medicine, juice, milk, and water. And some liquids are not safe to drink but can be used for cleaning and other purposes like insecticides, bleach, rubbing alcohol, and liquid detergent. Thank you for watching and listening!
Today, my topic is states of matter. First is solid. Solid has definite shape and volume. The example is drafting board. And the next one is liquid. Liquid has no definite shape, but they take shape if they are on containers. And the example is water. And the next one is gas. Gas has no definite shape and volume. And the example is the smoke of the humidifier. Thank you.
Good day to all of you. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. There are three states of matter as that solid, liquid, and gas. My presentation, I choose solid. Solid is one of the three states of matter in which you can see, hold, and touch. The molecules of solid are close to one another. That is the reason why solids have definite shapes. And also exhibit other properties such as hardiness, ductility, elasticity, and malleability, and porosity, and flexibility. The properties of matter, I choose volume. Volume is the space that matter occupies. It has length, width, and height or thickness. This is a sample of solid. This is a box. The volume of this box is length times width times thickness. This is all. Thank you.
Density. It refers on how heavy or light an object is. Or it refers on the amount of a mass and volume of an object. I will show you an example. I have 3 items. I will show you which has more density or less density. The pencil, the rock, and the ring. I observed the ring and the rock sink and the pencil float. It's because rock and has more density than the pencil. This also works on like oil.